I've been using the Gusto mobile app for a while now, and this is my honest and unbiased review. So let's dive in and see if it's the right fit for you. One of the main reasons I chose the Gusto Wallet app is its comprehensive suite of features designed to empower employees in managing their finances. The app allows me to view a breakdown of each paycheck, set up high-yield savings accounts, and allocate portions of my paycheck toward personalized financial goals. Additionally, it offers the convenience of clocking in and out, reviewing timesheets, and managing time-off requests directly within the app. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, while the app is feature-rich, it currently lacks geo-tracking capabilities, which could be a limitation for businesses managing remote teams or field employees. Additionally, some users have reported security concerns, such as transactions being declined and cards being blocked without immediate recourse, particularly during weekends. Another aspect worth mentioning is the app's user experience. The Gusto Wallet app is available on both Android and iOS platforms, providing a user-friendly interface that simplifies financial management for employees. However, some users have expressed dissatisfaction with certain security protocols, indicating that while the app aims to protect user data, the implementation of these measures can sometimes lead to inconveniences. Overall, my experience with the Gusto Wallet app has been positive, especially considering its robust features and intuitive design, making it a valuable tool for managing paychecks, savings, and work-related tasks. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.